Hello, brethren. Welcome to Sunday. And I've just had to put the heating on. Not been on for months. But I've just, past couple of days, afternoon-wise, I'm feeling a little bit, I need to put a jumper on or something, but put the heating on. Nothing happened for, I don't know, a good 10 minutes. I thought, oh, it's broken. And there used to be insurance on the heating, British Gas. And the landlords cancelled it because they didn't want to pay it. For some reason they thought it was my responsibility, which of course it isn't. Boiler broke, the hot water boiler broke. That was supposed to be my responsibility to mend that. Of course it wasn't. It was £1,000 to replace it, which I paid and then eventually got refunded. But no, I was told it was my responsibility. Anyway, so yeah, with me moaning about the rain all the time, and today it is forecast rain, and where my mate Belly is, down south in Lincolnshire border, it's chucking it down there now, and I seem to get it a bit later on, moves upwards, moves north. Anyway, yeah, so I've got this song. Have you ever seen the rain? Someone told me long ago, there's a calm before the storm. Well, I know, and it's been coming for some time. When it's over, so they say, it'll rain a sunny day. I know, shining down like a water. I wanna know, have you ever seen the rain? I wanna know, have you ever seen the rain coming down on a sunny day? Got to wind my words up because I didn't set this out properly. Da 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 da. Ba da 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 da. Ma do do boo, yoopy doo doo. You do 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 do, we do do, you do do, do 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 do, do 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 do. I wanna know, have you ever seen the rain? I wanna know, have you ever seen the rain coming down on a sunny day? Yesterday and days before, sun is cold and the rain is hard. I know, been that way for all my time, till forever on it goes, through the circle fast and slow. Well, I know, and it can't stop, I wonder. I wanna know, have you ever seen the rain? I wanna know, have you ever seen the rain coming down on a Sunday day? On a Sunday day. Yeah, I wanna know, have you ever seen the rain? I wanna know, have you ever seen the rain coming down on a Sunday day. Harmonic. Yeah, alright, let's see if we can do all the harmonics there. You got one? Very good. Right, so yeah, it's not hammering it down outside because I just had a look. Well, just before I started recording this. It was quite bright actually. It's a shame it's only like 14 degrees. But allegedly it's going to be 21 degrees next Saturday. So that might be the last summer day. Gotta get out. Gotta get out of the house. And the thing is, the longer I stay inside, the more agoraphobic I get. And I don't know, I just don't want to leave the house. Well, I do desperately want to leave the house, but I can't bring myself to do it. I just think, well, there's nowhere to go to. There's no reason to leave the house. And then now you've got to find like extra clothing because it's so cold and set off, but to wear. I mean, just to bump round the block, as it were, because that's what happens with these wheelchairs. The pavements are terrible and they chuck you all over. So just for something to do, and it'd be cold anyway because I'm just sitting in a moving armchair. It's like being on an open top bus or something. So you're not, using any energy to keep yourself warm. Yeah, so I don't know what the solution is. I don't know what the solution is. I was going to get like a chimney, is it, or something like that? Like it's like put wood in it or coal in it or whatever, and you can cook on the top of it, sort of like a barbecue thing. But yeah, like a barbecue thing. And when did I have this idea? That would be last year, I think. And I thought, yeah, each evening, doesn't matter, go out, get a bit of air when it's still mild, even though it's the winter, and cook some burgers and sausages or whatever. And never did get one. And now, I mean, it's like daytime and it's only 14. It's not going to be warmer this evening. Sometimes you get that sort of Indian summer thing where it just is hot, but it is dark, So it's, I don't know, it's still 20 odd degrees in the evening, but it's dark. But it's okay to sit outside because it's warm enough. But you're dropping below 20, it's not good, not good. Right, so have I got anything to turn off? No, I haven't. Yeah, heating's still bubbling away, which is good. And it has warmed up in here, which is good as well. It goes off and then it pops. You can hear the boiler, the heater boiler, popping on. It ignites again. So it's just done that. Yeah. So, what's happening the rest of the day? Not much. YouTube. And then what's happening tomorrow? Another slow day. No visitors. Don't know. It's a bit sort of miserable, really, the forecast, my personal forecast. And then the meteorological forecast. That's miserable as well. But I've got me habit ale. Oh yeah, toasting the departed. I forgot to do it. I didn't get up till 11 o'clock this morning. And toasting the departed's at midday, so I've not done it yet. So Here's to Eric, here's to Big Rob, here's to my mum and dad, here's to Frank, here's to Mother Bell, here's to everybody else I know that's no longer with us and is now hopefully sitting in the Pearly Gates Tavern with free drinks. Beautiful. Yeah, so that's it. Well, there's a boxer bloke died today, isn't there? Can't remember his name. He's only 46, so that's the thing when you get older. Well, he isn't old, so, but when you do get older, you hear about people dying all the time. You know, it's something that you don't really notice when you're younger. You know, it's just, and if somebody old dies, they think, oh, they were old anyway. But when you are old, and then you're thinking, when's it going to be my turn? It gets a bit scary. But I've still got my music. I've still got my Abbott Ale. A bit later on, I'll have a bit of Jamshed Chardonnay. And hopefully I'll do you another song tomorrow. And thanks for commenting. Yeah, I got some comments on TikTok today, which was nice. And barfly thing is, I mean, even if I'm drinking coffee with nothing in it, it's just coffee or orange juice. Well, I suppose it's a sugar, isn't it? But these barflies turn up, they're a menace. And if they get in your drink, they die anyway because they're drowned, don't they? But you're thinking, oh, I don't really want to be drinking a drink that a fly's drowned in. And I'm sure I read somewhere that when you die, you open your bowels. So, like, your drink's full of fly poo. Which isn't very nice, is it? Anyway, yeah, words of music will be below the description on YouTube channel, which is Wheelchair Ukulele with Lollipopman. And it's in the same key, so I mean you can play it along to my rendition if you need, because it's going to be in the right key. So whereas when I'm doing my baritone, everything's played in the wrong key. I know what I'm doing, but if you're not playing with anybody else, it doesn't matter as long as it sounds right. Right, so thanks for watching, thanks for commenting, thanks for being there, thanks for being you, and with all that, thanks for coming.